Good day everyone, I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have a quick unboxing, and if you saw the thumbnail for this particular video, then you have a very good hint of what's in this box. Ooh, I do not want to cut myself, y'all. Alright, so let's open it up and find out what's inside. And guess what it is, y'all? It's a piece of paper. No. That's the packing slip, but they use this. I guess this is the smallest box they have for this little cutie. And this little cutie is to match what you saw in the thumbnail. This little cutie. But now that I see it, I'm kind of worried because it doesn't look as small as it did online. But let's see if it's gonna fit, y'all. Fingers crossed, but I think my measurement guesstimation was a little off. But let me try to think positive and test it out and see. So this is I believe it said small Carrington. Yes, it says small Carrington wristlet. So if you don't know, this is a Tucker Bitsy bag in the color red, or red plaid, or red and black. And this is the Carrington that I bought to match it. And you did see the box. It is from Dooney Bourke, but I actually got it via eBay because on eBay, regardless of the price of the order, the shipping is free. And this was really the only item I wanted at the time. So I went over to eBay and got it, and it ships directly from Dooney Bourke. And first of all, I love the wristlet strap that's on it. And you get the tassel as well, which is separate from the wristlet, so I can easily detach this, which I'll probably need to do so that I have a better chance of getting it inside of the Bitsy bag. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's just a close-up of the strap, black leather strap. And a quick look inside as well. The registration card. And it has a slip pocket. Dooney Bourke leather logo patch. And then on this side, it has card slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots on the opposite side. So this is a nice size wristlet. I really thought it was going to be closer to the medium wristlet size, but I see that it is not. So let's see if it's going to match. Not match. See if it's going to fit inside. It may fit. I see it looks like it has a little room on each side. So let's try it out, y'all. See what we got. And I will link the video either in the description or the comments for my unboxing of this Bitsy bag. Let's see. That's like a little piece of green paper. Now let me get that out. It fit. Okay. So my guesstimations weren't off by much. I would say I probably, even if I were to fill this up, I think it would still not have a problem fitting in here. And I guess a good test would be if I were to put some, let's see if I have, I don't want to put the paper in it. So I'll just put like these little pieces of white foam that come in the wristlets. And put that in there. That way we can see if it'll close with it stuffed, if it will still fit. So I can't zip it up, but I don't think I'm going to put more than that in there. I'll give you a view of it that way. So let's see. That little tassel is so cute on there. So it fits fine. I would still have room for another wristlet or two and my keys and phone. I believe so. So that's it, y'all. This was just a quick video to unbox this cute wristlet with you all that matches my Bitsy bag. And I'm glad I was able to catch it. I believe it was on sale for about $39. And I can't recall the original price. If I had to guess, I would probably say it's double that. So maybe like $80 or $90. But I did catch it on sale. And like I said, the price on eBay was the same price as it was on the ILD site. So this is my first tucker piece. And this is my second tucker piece. So I'm looking forward to carrying them both. And more than likely, I'll add probably another black piece with it and kind of keep that color scheme going for this particular carry. But I'll share that with you all at that time. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting as well. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.